Today see about numbers versus letter for kids. One, one, O-N-E, one. Two, two, T-W-O, two. Three, three, T-H-R-E-E, three. Four, four, F-O-U-R, four. Five, five, F-I-V-E, five. Six, six, S-I-X, six. Seven, seven, S-E-V-E-N, seven. Eight, eight, E-I-G-H-T, eight. Nine, nine, N-I-N-E, nine. Ten, ten, T-E-N, ten. This is the numbers versus letters, numbers to letters for kids. Thanks for the watching video.